demonstration.
Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Elephant Meadows here at Woburn Safari Park. I'm Michael, one of the elephant handlers here today, and we have Terry down at the bottom with one of our female Asian elephants. So as she comes in now, this is Dominique, give her a nice round of applause. There we go. So Dominique here is age 20 and she's one of 3 female Asian elephants we have here. We have Chandrika down on the far left hand side, she's 22, and then we have Yuzin on the right. They're just right at the back, you probably won't be able to see them later on, and she is 35. As well as the females, we also have one male who is Raja, and he is also 20 years of age, and he can be seen in his paddock on the left hand side today. So firstly what we're going to do is we're going to get down into the position, and we are going to do a few behaviours of what we do every single morning with our elephants as a normal health check. So firstly we'll ask Dominique to present her feet, one by one. And this is so we can check each individual toenail and also the soles of their feet as well. This is making sure that they are in good nick and order. And what we do is we are quite lucky, we do get a chance to walk our females all around the park here at Woburn Safari Park. So we need to make sure that those feet are in good working order, making sure there's no foreign bodies, stones or anything stuck in the soles of their feet. So like I say, we'll check each feet individually, making sure they're nice and healthy. And if needs be, we will employ some foot care. So this just involves